Hello, welcome to my TikTok. Thank you so much. Please share this video and leave a comment in the comment section below if you are enjoying the videos that we are posting as JS Learning Academy. All right, so to answer this exam question, there are some basic properties that we need to understand. So you can see, of course, they are saying given that angle BAD is equal to 47 degrees and B and DBC is equal to 28 degrees. Calculate angle BOD, angle OBD, angle BDC. Okay, so there are some basic properties that we need to understand. So the statement here says this is a center O. Okay, you can see this center O. So this is a center. Okay. And there is a property which says that when you've got an angle here, okay, this angle is twice the angle which is here. Or this angle, when you've got an angle here, you want to find the angle which will be here, you must divide this by 2. All right, so let me just make you understand of what I'm talking about. So we've got this right here. So let's say we've got an angle here, and this angle is 20 degrees. So what will be the angle at this point? This will be 40 degrees. So how did I know that this is 40 degrees? This is a property which says that when you've got an angle, okay, and you know that this is your center O, you've got an angle that is formed right here. This angle is twice the angle right here. They are all coming from the same segment or same arc. They're coming from here, it goes like this to the center, and then here, this one will go like this, meaning this angle here is twice this. Or this angle, for you to find the angle here, you need to divide this by 2 so that you get the angle here. Let's assume that the angle here, this angle, we assume that it's 80 degrees. What would be the angle here if this is 80 degrees? Of course, this will be 40 degrees according to the property. We just get this, divide by 2, it gives us the angle which will be right here. Let's hope you won't forget this property because it's very, very important. And for you to be able to answer any exam question, you need to know this property. Okay, so now let's try to apply it to the question. They've given us this angle right here, and they're saying calculate angle BOD. BOD. We are looking for an angle right here. This is the angle we are looking for. So what are we going to do? We should just get this angle which is here. We can see that this angle is moving like this, coming from here, and this also going to the center like this. Meaning this angle is twice this. So we should just say 47 degrees times a 2. We multiply by 2. And what are we getting? This is 14, carry 1, 2 times 4, it's 8, plus a 1, it gives us a 9. So this is 94 degrees. So the angle right here will be equal to 94 degrees, which is this one. It's 94 degrees. I guess it's clear and straightforward for you. I guess so. So that's it. Now for question B to be answered, you can see question B is right here. We also need to understand another property. So this is a property right here. This is O, it's a center. And we've just found the angle here to be equal to 94 degrees. Okay? All right, so this is the angle, okay, which we found. We can check. You can see this is 94 degrees. So now, if you can see nicely, from here to here, we know that this is a radius, and this is also a radius, okay? So what it means the angle which is inside here is an isosceles triangle. I mean, the triangle is an isosceles triangle. And we know that isosceles triangle has got 2 equal sides, okay? So this side is equal to this side, Okay. All right. So you know that these are equal, isn't it? So if you've got an angle right here, that means the angle which is right here plus the angle which is here plus this one must give you 180 degrees. And mind you, the angle here must be equal to the angle here because the sides are equal. So what we're going to do here will be to just say, okay, 180 degrees, which is the property of a triangle. When you've got an angle here, here, and here, you add them, they must give you 180. You say minus 94 degrees. What are you getting? We are getting, of course, that is 86, if I'm not mistaken. That is 86 degrees. Okay? Mind you, you're not supposed to use a calculator for this paper. Okay? So this is 86 degrees. So now this 86 will be for this and this. So now, since these two angles are equal, we shall divide this by a 2. So divide by a 2, we are getting what? We are getting a 43 degrees. This is our angle. So the angle here is 43 degrees. Here also 43 degrees. So this is a property which we need to use for us to answer this question right here. So we shall say, we're going to say 180 degrees minus 94 degrees. This 94, we want to find these two angles because we know that they are equal. This one and this are equal. So when we work out here, we borrow a 1, we shall remain with a 7. So 10 minus 4, it's giving us what? A 6. Okay? And then 17 minus 9, it will give us 8, which is 86. So this is our or the sum of these two angles. So now after getting this 86, we shall say 86 degrees divided by 2, which will give us 43 degrees. The reason why we are dividing by 2, it's because these two angles are equal. So we shall say our answer is 43 degrees. Okay. We go to the last question. For the last question, we also need to understand a property. There's a property which we need to understand. Okay? So when you've got a quadrilateral, okay? So this is a quadrilateral right here. We know that opposite angle, or we use the property of opposite angles. So when you've got an angle here, opposite to this angle, when you add these angles, they must give you 180. The same applies to this, provided they're opposite to each other. This one and this one, when you add them, this angle plus this angle must give you what? 180. So let's do this. If this is 40 degrees, what will be this angle right here? You're going to say 180 degrees minus 40 degrees. And it's giving us what? It's giving us a 120, is it 120? 140, sorry. 140 degrees. So meaning the angle here is 140 degrees. Such that when you add these two, you're getting 180. Let's say this is 20 degrees. What will be this angle? It will be 160 degrees. Because we're going to say 180 degrees minus 20 degrees, which is giving us what? 160 degrees. Like that. Okay. So this is a property or the first step that we need to take for us to answer the next question. Okay? So the angle that we are looking for, it's right here because they're saying BDC. BDC. We are looking for this angle. Okay? So for us to find this angle, we first need to find this angle. If you can see, this angle is opposite to this. And we are looking for this. So first, find this and we come and use property of a triangle. So we're going to say 180 degrees minus 47 degrees. So when we subtract there, what are we getting? 180 minus 47 degrees. What is it that we're getting? I guess we're getting a 133 degrees. So this is 133 degrees. We have found the angle here. So what do we do next? We use property of a triangle. Remember, when you add this angle plus this angle plus this angle, you must get what? 180. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to say, let me put it here so that we differentiate. We're going to say 180 degrees minus the addition of these two, 133 degrees plus 28 degrees. So when we add these two and we subtract from 180, we'll get the angle which is right here. So it will be 180 degrees minus, when we add these two, we are getting, when we say 133 plus 28, of course we're getting 161 degrees. And when we subtract from 180, we're getting a 19 degrees. So this angle here is a 19 degrees. So let me just write it here. Our answer here is a 19 degrees. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. All right, so what you need to know is that we offer online tuitions in mathematics. So let me just list the subjects. We have math, we have English, we have science, we have biology, we have commerce. Let me put commerce here. We have commerce. We have RE. We also have civic education. So if you be writing your GCE, you're in grade 12, you're in grade 10, you're in grade 11, please, you get in touch with us for more help, okay? You get in touch with us for more help on this number right here. This is a number that you need to contact us, okay? You call or WhatsApp. We'll be able to help you out, okay? We offer online tuitions in these subjects right here. Bye-bye.